In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through a tutorial on text to image. Okay, this is a feature that Canva has rolled out, and it's in the beta version, but you can still use it. There are a few restrictions, of course. Now, if you go to the Canva help page, what it says is describe the image you want to see and watch it come to life. It's a beta version. It says, and then it gives you the directions. There's a computer and as well as for the mobile. So there are two ways that you can use it. But for on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use it on a computer. But it also says that you can create up to 24 images daily. See, and it says this feature currently works best with English prompts. We recommend using simple one-word prompts for best results when using other languages. For those of you who haven't tried Canva before, there is a link in the description below. You click that link and you will be taken to the home page. Now this is how the home page will look like. So what you do is you go to create a design and you'll be given options. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click custom size here, and we'll do 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Okay, you can see here it's pixels. You have pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters. So we want pixels, and then you click create new design. So what happens is it will open up a page like this. Okay, so what we do is we go down to the left hand side. We go all the way down, and you see this, the three dots that says more. You click that. When you click that, what happens is these come up, and you have popular, and then you have create something new. Now that, if you see here, it says text to image. You just click that, text to image. Now when you click that, it says here, of course it's a beta version, it describes the image you want to see, and it says here include objects, colors, locations, surroundings, people, etc. And if you need inspiration, they've even given you 3 sentences. And if you look at it, it's quite descriptive, like a panda riding a bike through a city with depth of field, a light watercolor painting of koi fish in a pond, and then you've got photo of a magical forest city from the future. So you have these inspirations for you. And down here it says choose your style. You have surprised me, which means that it can bring up any style for you. But you also have photo, you have drawing, you have 3D, you have painting, you have patterns, and you have concept art. So for now, let's just choose a photo, right? So let's think of something. So why don't we do, okay, so what I've done is a dragon in an epic battle at sunset in a beautiful futuristic landscape. So let's go for photo, generate image, and here we have it. It's quite cool. Let's just enlarge it so that you can see it. Considering it's a beta version, I think that's pretty good. It's pretty amazing. Let's try this one. Well, it has the elements that I have said, which was a dragon in an epic battle. Well, it looks as if it's fighting something in an epic battle at sunset in a beautiful futuristic landscape. So that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. Now, this is something that I did earlier, and I think it came out pretty well. It was a fairy in a field of flowers, in a futuristic field. Same thing. This is a different version of what was shown. I thought that was pretty good. I mean, let's position it forward. Now, and then I had 2 dragons, which I thought was pretty good as well. And I had written down 2 dragons fighting in the sky, futuristic landscape. And then I also did a unicorn. I put in a text of a unicorn in a field of flowers with a reindeer. So that's pretty good. Now there are some that will look better than others because as you As you know, this is a beta version, so they are still, working out the um, little quirks. But I think overall, it's quite good. It's free, um, and I guess depending on what you write in, it can be as simple as this. Now, this looks, if you look at this, okay, I think, now let's just enlarge it. I think it's pretty good. If you look at it, it's quite crisp. And because I did not put in a lot of details, I think that's why it came out quite crisp. And for beta version, I think that's pretty good. And the same as this, let's just position this forward. And if you go down here, you can have a full screen. Again, I think it's pretty good, basically because I did not put in a lot of descriptive phrases. So I hope you like this. I will be doing more. The next video, I might do the 3D and the painting just to test it all out and also sort of give feedback to Canva so that they know as well, how to work these things out. So I hope you like this. If you did, please do comment, do subscribe, and let me know what you thought about it and what else you'd like to see. All right, bye.